Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find a way to activate the stone gates contraption where winds meet. So what you'll need to do is basically run up here, then you can collect and activate your boundary stone. So after that you'll be able to teleport it right here. Then open this chest, and right here you'll see a blue flower, so go into that one and you'll be in the same mode as before, and then activate this thing and you'll see that the bells will start ringing, as you can see. And after that, what you'll need to do is take out your bow and just basically shoot it in your bells. And as you can see, if you get it wrong, it won't activate it. So let's try to go in the same flower mode, like this, and try to activate it again. Now let's shoot. You can shoot at pressure points like this. And as you can see, your doors will open up. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything and comment for the algorithm.